Well, hello guys, just wanted to post a video from my recent Cherokee checkout. This was an extremely humbling experience. I think something that every new pilot should really need to go through every once in a while. I went into this way too arrogant and learned quite a bit about where my skills really are right now. So I hope you enjoy this, hope you get something out of it. Go fly with an instructor if you haven't done so in a while.
A little bit of a crosswind. Ooh, turns a lot better. Feet on the floor, crosswind correction. Ready? Yep. Got oil pressure and RPM. Everything is green. Okay. It's 50. Oh my goodness. She's twitchy rudder. Get some gusts too. Yeah. Part of that. What'd you want to start with? Steep turn. Steep turn left? Sure. 90. And you do them at 45-degree bank, right? Yeah. Okay. Got that little bit of power in there. That seems like probably about right. Figure out which way the nose is pointed. Like you're a little low. Yeah. It's definitely a different sight picture. Yep. They're pretty quick. So, still within tolerances the whole time. Correcting back. Right on airspeed and almost right on altitude again. Or not. Oh, let's steepen it up a little bit. Pretty good. Then one to the right, and this, of course, will look totally different than the one to the left. But don't forget when you get around. Yeah, there you go. Full power back. Back down to 90. All right. On the right. I have not seen anybody. Yep, you descended on the left turn and climb it on the right turn. Doesn't need much of any right rudder. Sorry, just trying to come back down into altitude. Target. Those look pretty good. Let's make a turn to straight west. We're in Missouri now. Don't like Missouri? I was born in Missouri. We're pointed straight south and we made it to Missouri. That's a good crosswind. Just like any plane, it gets all little mushy. And I'm assuming you got a lot of right rudder in just to hold it? Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn around to straight north. So you get a little more feel. We'll reverse the turn and go back left to straight west once we get pointed north. And you already did a little bit of a climb. Yeah, I was trying to get back to altitude. Yeah. You saw how much power that took. Okay, right. Whenever you're ready, how about we do a straight ahead power off stall. So we pull the power back, and I'm not sure how you've done it in the past, but how about we just try to hold altitude until it stalls? Okay. Is that what you've done normally? Okay. No, the FAA book actually tells you to do it a little differently. There's the buffet. More right rudder. Immediately go to 25 flaps. Oh, okay. Because you just hardly get any performance unless you do that.
Right.
You don't want to drop all the flaps, but you want to start the climb, so then...
sorry, I was level on and off, but yeah,
okay.
You want to climb
That's
back?
Okay. Yeah, we can go back to 4,500. Let's do it again. You can go ahead and get back in your slow flight configuration, and this time we'll do the full recovery.
All right.
How about that?
Did you want me to stay in the stall, or what were you looking for there?
What?
That was a full buffet, right?
Yeah, I guess
But you wanted to climb.
Well, I was just thinking, let's try again. We hadn't really talked about exactly what I wanted.
Okay.
I was just thinking, let's pull it farther into the stall just so you can see better what it does.
Sure.
I mean, that was perfectly fine the way you did it, like if you were doing a test or whatever, but just to show you more how the airplane acts.
Right.
Get it a little deeper, and so you're having to work the rudders a little bit to try to keep the nose straight and that sort of thing. Just for your benefit.
Oh.
Keep on pulling back just to...
Oh. No aileron.
Nope, it doesn't work very good. Go ahead and get it one more time. Just really give it a good pull back here.
Okay.
You're working the rudders. You got it. Okay, well go ahead and recover now then. Full recovery. Flaps. There you go. Now get the climb coming. Oh, and part of full power you got to remember is that, right?
Whoa, there's the adverse yaw. All right.
Okay.
Are you comfortable with that, or would you have picked something else?
I think we
would have been short.
A little bit. It was a little bit close on the margin, but you were landing with the wind too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
The wind's south.
The other way.
So you probably would be wanting to go south or west for a landing.
Yes, you do.
And I think.
You're right. I would have been long.
Traffic not available.
Yeah, you probably would have made it and overrun.
Yeah.
I guess. It might have felt a little bit close on making it and then realized, oh wait, I'm too fast. Even though I barely made it.
I didn't even think about the wind.
On a day like this, definitely. But pointing south into it to try to get there, I was a little bit, I wasn't sure if we're really going to make it or not. Probably, but I wasn't completely convinced.
Tower 38 Lima is beam 18.
Cherokee 3 Lima, runway 18, clear touch and go, fly left traffic.
Clear touch and go, left traffic, 38 Lima.
A lot of wind.
Really gusty.
I guess keep your eyes open for wind shear. We might get sudden drops in airspeed here.
Keep it at about 75.
Looking pretty good now.
Traffic not available.
Wow, that's really bumpy.
Okay. Let power back all the way, that'll help.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Full stop.
Yeah.
Ooh, windy.
That into the wind, right? There you go. Looking clear on final.
All right. Thing look good to you? Oil temperature, oil pressure, airspeed's alive.
RPMs go about 2,300 on the normal takeoff roll, it appears.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Gust. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so different.
Maybe you're just trying to pull it off a little bit too soon. I don't know.
Well, if you saw, I just was holding it right where it was, and then all of a sudden I got a gust and it picked me up. But I should have been ready for that.
Yeah. So you're trying to hold 75 to 80 or so because of the gusts, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that all right? I mean, normally
Yeah,
I'd be about
great.
70, but...
That is perfect. It seemed to work out pretty good last time. You were even a little faster, but when you have this much wind, then you have time because you're not going to roll as far anyway.
Right.
off there.
Yeah.
Let it down, let it down. There. Oh, jeez. Okay.
We're going to do a full stop on this one, too.
Okay. It was looking pretty good till
Son
you
of a
just pulled it just a little too high, and keep that wind correction in. There you go.